Greetings. On behalf of the Judge Alexander Williams Jr. Center, our Board of Directors, and our dedicated staff, it is my honor to present the honorees for this year's 7th annual lecture, Navigating the Intersection of Ethics and AI. We are proud to extend our heartfelt congratulations to our first honoree, the Latino Economic Development Center, in recognition of your unwavering commitment to empowering communities through economic development, resources, and services. We are pleased to present you with the 2025 Judge A.W. Center Ethics Award. Thank you for your impactful work and continued dedication to ethical and inclusive community advancement.
Hello, my name is Emi Reyes, Executive Director of the Latino Economic Development Center, known as LEDC. We would like to thank the Judge Alexander Williams Jr. Center for Education, Justice, and Ethics for this incredible honor. We are so grateful on behalf of everyone at LEDC for the recognition of our organization's mission and impact in the region. LEDC was founded in 1991 in the Columbia Heights neighborhood of Washington, D.C., specifically in the Mount Pleasant Street. Since the beginning, we have really focused on the economic empowerment of our community. It took a collaboration between bankers, religious leaders, government officials to create the Latino Economic Development Center with the sole focus of providing the community with the tools that they needed to have more stable housing and to explore their financial well-being through entrepreneurship. And since then, LEDC has been a HUD-certified housing counseling agency, providing housing counseling to not just first-time home buyers, but also ensuring that we have foreclosure prevention efforts, that we have tenant advocacy efforts. Our tenant organizing has really grown throughout the city since its inception, ensuring that people have the tools that they need to maintain stable housing. Additionally, when we think about the entrepreneurship space, we are a CDFI, and so we do small business lending, small business technical assistance, and our small business lending really encompasses from startups who need that initial seed capital to really get their dreams going, to those more well-established businesses that are really looking for that next step in their growth. From the beginning, LEDC has been able to create initiatives and programs that have really grown in scale. We've also been able to partner with the University of Maryland in a couple of different ways. One included is the Small Business Anti-Displacement Network, which is housed here. Through our collaboration with them, we've been able to ensure that people here have the resources and access to education that they may need to not just survive and sort of have a sense of stability, but to really thrive and grow their businesses. Additionally, we see that these entrepreneurs really give back to their community. Many of these entrepreneurs, Gabby from Arepazo in particular, has been a volunteer for our women's program and is helping to mentor other aspiring entrepreneurs. And it's one of the most incredible things to see that our entrepreneurs are very committed to giving back and empowering the next generation of entrepreneurs in our area. And we see that very similarly happening within our housing department, where many of the graduates of our housing counseling programs and cohorts, oftentimes they are the ones that refer the next students for our classes. And so really our goal is to really ensure that we are investing in people for the future of our region, for the future of our country. And we see people who are very committed to growing and prospering here. And so we really appreciate the center's recognition of LEDC and our commitment to our region and our local residents. Thank you.